everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we're talking about something everyone loves, food.
Oh, yes. Food is my favorite topic.
Mine too. And you know what? Talking about food is one of the easiest ways to practice English.
Exactly. Because everyone eats, right? So everyone can talk about food.
That's right. Whether you're at a restaurant, with friends, or meeting new people, food conversations happen all the time.
So today, we'll teach you simple words and phrases to talk about food naturally.
Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. We make English learning easy and fun.
Yeah, we post videos every single day to help you improve your English step by step.
So if you like learning this way, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us.
And if you enjoy this episode, give us a thumbs up. We love seeing that.
All right, let's start talking about food.
So, Sarah, why is learning food vocabulary so important?
Great question. Well, think about it. When you meet someone new, what do you talk about?
Maybe the weather?
Yes, and also food. People love sharing their favorite foods.
That's true. I always ask my friends, what did you eat today? Or do you like pizza?
Exactly. These are simple questions, but they start great conversations.
And when you travel, you need to order food, right?
Yes, at restaurants, cafes, even street food stalls.
So knowing food words helps you everywhere.
Absolutely. Okay, let's practice some conversations together.
All right, I'll ask you first. Sarah, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. I love Italian food.
Oh, pasta. Do you like all kinds of pasta?
I especially like spaghetti with tomato sauce. It's simple but delicious.
Nice. So, listeners, did you hear that? Sarah said, my favorite food is pasta.
You can also say, I love pasta, or pasta is my favorite.
All of those work. They all mean the same thing.
Right. Now, Mike, what about you? What's your favorite food?
I really love burgers. A good cheeseburger is amazing.
Ooh, burgers. Do you make them at home or buy them?
I usually buy them from restaurants, but sometimes I make them at home on weekends.
That sounds fun. So Mike said, I really love burgers. You can also say, I'm a big fan of burgers.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of is a great phrase. You can use it for anything you like.
For example, I'm a big fan of chocolate, or I'm a big fan of Chinese food.
Perfect examples.
Now, let's talk about foods we don't like. That's important too.
Good idea. Sarah, is there any food you don't like?
I don't really like spicy food. It's too hot for me.
Oh, interesting. So you can say, I don't like spicy food, or I'm not a fan of spicy food.
Exactly. I'm not a fan of is the opposite of I'm a big fan of.
Right. Another way to say it is, spicy food isn't my thing.
Ooh, that's casual. It's not my thing means you don't enjoy it.
Yeah, like sushi isn't my thing, or coffee isn't my thing.
Perfect. Mike, what about you? What food do you dislike?
I don't like mushrooms. I really can't eat them.
Oh, you really don't like them. So you can say, I can't stand mushrooms.
Yeah, I can't stand means you really, really don't like something.
It's stronger than just I don't like.
Exactly. So listeners, you have options. I don't like, I'm not a fan of, it's not my thing, or I can't stand.
Use the one that matches your feelings.
Now, let's learn how to describe food. This is really useful.
Yes, when someone asks, how's the food, you need to answer.
So, Sarah, imagine you're eating something delicious. What do you say?
I would say, this is delicious, or this tastes amazing.
Great! You can also say, this is really good, or this is so tasty.
Those are all positive. What if the food is bad?
Well, you can be polite and say, it's okay, or it's not bad.
That's diplomatic. But if it's really bad?
Then maybe, I don't like this, or this isn't very good.
Right. Let me give you more describing words. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy.
Those are the 5 basic tastes. Can you give examples?
Sure. Chocolate is sweet, chips are salty, Lemons are sour.
Coffee is bitter, and peppers are spicy.
Perfect examples. You can say, this soup is too salty, or I like sweet desserts.
Exactly. Describing the taste helps people understand what you like.
All right, now let's practice ordering food at a restaurant.
This is super practical. Everyone needs this.
Okay, I'll be the waiter. Mike, you're the customer.
Got it.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'd like the grilled chicken with rice.
Great choice. And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a cola, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Okay, let's stop there. Did you notice the phrases?
Yes, I said I'd like and I'll have. These are polite ways to order.
Exactly. You can say, I'd like the pasta, or I'll have the salad.
Both are polite and natural.
You can also say, can I have the burger, or could I get the pizza?
All of these work great in restaurants.
Now let's talk about cooking. Do you cook, Mike?
Sometimes. I'm not a great cook, but I try.
That's good. What can you cook?
I can make simple things. Eggs, sandwiches, sometimes pasta.
Nice. So you can say, I can cook pasta, or I know how to make eggs.
Yeah. What about you, Sarah? Do you like cooking?
I do. I enjoy cooking on weekends. It's relaxing.
What do you usually cook?
I like making soups and stir-fries. They're healthy and easy.
Sounds delicious. So, listeners, you can say, I like cooking or I enjoy cooking.
Or if you don't cook, say, I don't cook much, or I'm not good at cooking.
And that's totally fine. Everyone's different.
Let's give some quick tips for talking about food in real life.
Good idea. Tip number 1, keep it simple.
Yes, you don't need complicated words. I like pizza is perfect.
Tip 2, ask questions. People love talking about food.
Right. Ask, what's your favorite food? Or do you like Chinese food?
Tip 3, share your opinions. Say why you like or dislike something.
For example, I love sushi because it's fresh and healthy.
Or, I don't like coffee because it's too bitter for me.
Adding because makes your answer more interesting.
Exactly. It shows you're thinking and sharing real feelings.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, this is your chance to practice in the comments.
Tell us, what is your favorite food?
Write it in English. For example, you can write, my favorite food is pizza, or I love Thai food.
It's that simple. We read every single comment.
And we'll reply to help you practice more.
So don't be shy. Leave a comment right now.
Even if you make a mistake, that's okay. We're all learning together.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's episode.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us.
Remember, we post new videos every single day.
So subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you won't miss any lessons.
Tomorrow, we'll talk about asking and giving directions in English. That's another super useful topic.
We'll teach you how to ask for and give directions for travel and daily life.
It's going to be great. See you tomorrow.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember,
English can be easy.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.